Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to connect Notion to n8n. Let's get started. Go to notion.so, navigate to your profile and click on Integrations. Click on New Integration and give it a name. Select the workspace where you want to create this integration. Make sure you are logged into the correct Notion account. If you are not, log out and sign in to the right one. Now, choose the type of integration. It can be either internal or public. You can also upload a logo if you want, but that is optional. Click Save, then go to Configure Integration Settings. Here, you can add permissions, such as reading or inserting comments. To make things easier, I will grant all permissions. Next, you will see an integration key. Copy it by clicking on the Show Key button. You can also save it for later use. Now, go to n8n. Navigate to Credentials at the top of the page. Click on Add Credential, then select Notion API. Click Continue. Paste the integration secret you copied earlier and click Save. Even though the connection is successful, we are not done yet. Go back to Notion and refresh the page. Now, go to Connections and find the new integration you just created. It should be named Test or whatever name you chose. Add it to the pages that you want to grant access to. Now, the integration is fully connected to Notion. That is how you connect Notion to n8n, and that's it. Thank you for watching.